guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of Project Broken Tech. Today we are repurposing a router and turning it into a key organizer. So what are we going to be needing? First, we're going to be needing our router, but this is also, this can also be done with a switch or a hub. So I actually have both, but we're mainly going to be working with the router, right? And the other thing that we're going to be needing is network cables. So I have two network cables that, to my mind, are damaged, because a lot of the time when we use it, there are networking issues with it. So in my head, it's damaged. And that's the only thing that we're going to be needing. The only other thing that you might need are screws if you're planning on mounting your key organizer, right? So without any more waiting, let's start, right? So there's two other things that we're going to be needing. A pliers or a cutter that we'll be able to cut our network cable with, as well as of course our keys. So I have two keys, and we're going to begin the build by snipping it about 10 centimeters away. That's a bit too long, but I mean it gives you room for error, right? 10 centimeters away. This one has a little clip thing, so about the same length. Okay, this, I'm lying, this is not even 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say about 5. This can't be about 10. Oh, I don't know. Cut it 5, 10, whatever you're comfortable with. Excess cable, I'm not sure what you're going to use it with or for. Maybe you might see another episode, but for now we're just going to leave it aside, and hopefully we'll find some use for it. Alright, same story about there. So I am making 4 connectors because, as I said, we're using this one, so it has 4 ports. This one is internet port, because not internet, telephone port, because this is a ADSL modem, but we're just going to be using those 4 for now. But I have this here so I can also show you that it can hold 16 keys. So if you're going to be using the 16 port one, obviously cut your cables at different lengths, because when you're going to hang it, one will fall somewhere here or here, and then the next one should fall lower than that one. So even if we have this cable, this key falls here and the next key is like underneath. But I mean, it's up to you. It's totally up to you. Okay, let's keep that aside. So what we're going to do here is take off the outer cover of the cable. Right. Oh, I snipped the cable. See? So that's the exact reason why we cut extra, because I mistakenly snipped the cable. So let's take this whole lot off, because that's a waste. Now let's try again. So I don't think I've ever shown my new haircut on Ep.8, but hopefully you guys are some of my viewers that are on the vlogging channel, because sometime this week, either tomorrow or Friday, the video of me actually having my haircut is going to be released. So if you'd like to see me having my haircut, you can go ahead to my vlogging channel, subscribe, and you'll be notified when that video drops. So it's going to be linked up there in the YouTube cards, as well as it's linked in the description of the video and on the main page of Ep.8. So here's the key. What we're going to do, so we divided that in half. Oopsies. So we divided the cables in half. There's 8 cables. We're going to just wrap it around. You want to make it look fancy, you more than welcome to do that. But wrap it around like that. If you want, from here, what we can do is twist them all together. Or even if you wanna, what you call it? If you wanna remove the covering from the cable. Okay, I'll do that in the next one and show it to you, right? That's all we have to do. We'll leave that aside and let's do the next cable. Alright, so this one, I remove the cable correctly without anything being damaged. Okay, so this one, a little bit, I'm gonna just remove the top, the plastic covering on the copper cable. And there we go. Right. So same thing, divide the cables in half, add your key, like that, wrap it around the key a few times. Right, and then the exposed copper cable we're going to twist all together, so it binds the cable properly. We're going to twist it as much as we can, like that. So okay, this one, it looks kind of bulky, but these the ends of these Ethernet cables kind of look like key rings as well. Even this one too, I did it very untidily, but it is quite nice. It's a keyring. It is stiff, it needs to loosen up a little bit. Alright, so like that. And then all it's gonna do is gonna connect in there and keep our keys safe. Alright, so I am actually gonna take you guys along and show you me installing it. As I was saying, you can connect up there. House keys, car keys, office keys, anything like that. Switches and routers break all the time, and what does everyone do? They just throw it away. Here we are repurposing it. Alright, so let's go install it in our kitchen so it can hang our keys up there. So as I said, you could use a screw, and there's two holes here. You put the screw in and you push and it locks the router into place. But I'm not going to do that today. Today I am going to use double stick tape. The reason, I don't know why, but I don't want to drill into there and put two screws, right? So let's do that. Double stick tape. Okay, now I'm just sticking it up there. And as you can see, there were 3 hooks here for the keys, but now all we're going to do, as soon as you come home with your keys, walk in, plug it in, and carry on. So guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe to see more content from us here at TechScenes8. And as always, I will see you in the next video.